Welcome to Total Technology. This is Supratim and today we will discuss about not discuss, we will do a little project about some security related issues. And today while browsing the internet I have found one page. This is the page of the famous Bengali Puja Association, that is Suruchi Sangha. If you type in Google, you can find it here. This is their website. 2019 Suruchi Sangha, New Alipur. Okay. Now if you click on that page, it will bring you to their main landing home page, where they have some occasion worship and other things doing that. We don't have any interest in that. Now we will go to the contact us link, and as you can see it is saying not secure, neither HTTP, nothing is here. Okay, so we can easily down the site by just sending this contact us from again and again, and this will destroy their bandwidth and the site will be down and it will be choked. So this is a very bad security measure, and today we will do that, and we will do it in our Python, which is a very popular language, I guess, and we have discussed several videos, tutorials and other useful information in our channel. So to do that, we will create, let us say, one file, and that file will be, let us say, Suruchi Sangha.py. Okay, so first thing first, we will just import the necessary modules one by one by type import Selenium, okay, from Selenium import WebDriver, and actually we have copy pasted it. We have imported Selenium WebDriver and action chains, common action chains and keys, and as well as time. So now we will import the other things, like our Google, I will use Selenium, so that's why I import the Chrome, and will use Chrome WebDriver. For that I will import the other things. Okay, now we have imported our Chrome Selenium option, copy pasted it, and this is the page link, suruchisangha.com contact.php. Now what we will do, we will simply go to the inspect here and find the name here. So as you can see, its XPath will be input @name is equal to the type is equal to name. Just a second. Sorry, name is equal to name. Okay, so that's our XPath. We will use driver dot find element by XPath, and this is our XPath. Then send underscore keys, and similarly we will do this for email also, and for message it is name equal to message, so we'll use that name equal to message here, and sorry, here text area is equal to not input. We need to change this to text area, and for the send button, that is button type equal to submit. Here it is button type is equal to submit, and here we will use click. Okay, now we need to refresh the page, driver dot refresh, and now we need to, okay, one thing, for the name and other field you can create a variable like name is equal to test, email is equal to test@test.com, message is equal to test. So you can pass this parameter here, name, email, and message here. Okay, now we have refreshed the page. Again we will run this in a loop. So for doing that we can do for I in range, how many times you want to do this. Say we want to do this 50,000. Okay. Five thousand, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And correct the indentation here. Then we want to close our session off. So this is the simple code, and this portion of code I have copy pasted because we have already explained what is this and why it is needed. This is my Chrome driver, Chrome WebDriver path and the profile setting. So let's now run the code and see whether it is running. So if we run this code in terminal, what's happened? Okay, I need to change this. Let's just run this again. Okay, now it is running. See, oh, we have not done any one thing. And what is that? Let us, we need to give one sleep time here for 3 seconds. Now let us run the code again. And see whether it is doing its job or not. Yeah, so it will go through this loop, I guess 5000k times, and the bandwidth with at the time surely choked. Let this do its running in background, and till then I will pause the video, and after that when the site will be down I will show you again. So have a pause now. Okay, still the loop is running, and so in this way it will lost his all will bandwidth. So that's it guys for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and bye bye, take care.